How to know if someone deactivated their Instagram account? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram app. Sign in to your account. Head to the profile icon at bottom right corner and tap on the followers at top left corner of your profile. Now here you will see the categories. You can easily find out deactivated accounts at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Deactivated Accounts. Then you will see all the list of deactivated accounts on Instagram. This is one of the easiest way to know if someone deactivated their Instagram account. Alternatively, you can also tap on the search icon at bottom left corner and then type in the username of the person you want to know if someone deactivated their Instagram account. If everything is blank, no profile picture, followers or following, this means they have deactivated their account. But as you can see, every details of this profile, that means they haven't deactivated their Instagram account. A deactivated account can be reactivated anytime by the user. And that's it. Now you know how to know if someone deactivated your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.